Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you spend any time on the internet, and especially here on YouTube, then you know there is a lot of competition out there. There's literally millions of hours of YouTube content uploaded pretty much every single hour. So with all of that being said, how do you actually stand out? How can you get your video seen? Well, there are many factors to go into that. But the one thing that you could do that will help you, not only on YouTube, but pretty much anywhere on the internet, is marketing. Specifically SEO, or search engine optimization. If you learn this skill of SEO, specifically YouTube SEO, then you're going to give your video content a much better chance of ranking whenever people search for these items on YouTube, because YouTube is actually the second largest search engine right behind Google, and the majority of all the platforms on the internet, they run on some type of search algorithm. And so one example that I could give you of my own experience with this is I actually did a video on one of my favorite bags, my LowePro Urbex. This is my LowePro BP 150. And whenever I did that video, I actually did a accompanying video where I talked about, you know, when I published it, I only had like less than 10 views in the first 24 hours. But now if you actually go on YouTube and you look up LowePro Urbex, my video is actually ranked #1. It has over 1,500 views, and it's going to continue to get views in the future because of all the YouTube SEO work that I did underneath. And this is something that I do for pretty much all my videos, because I know marketing is very important if you actually want to be seen and you want to remain relevant. And so if you did have any thoughts on this, whether you are doing this yourself or maybe you're not really sure of what that means, be sure to leave that in the description area below. And also I will also leave the videos that I did originally on the LowePro Urbex and also my LowePro BP 150 bag. I will leave that in the description area below as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.